Hey guys, my name is Josh and welcome to Joshua's Portfolio. Today I'm going to show you my portfolio performance on the month of March, and I'm going to show you that with this program called Portfolio Performance, where I track my net worth from the beginning of investing until now. It's a really great tool. It shows you the earnings, the pie chart, and your holdings, and there are so many tools that are so useful in this program. I can recommend it to any one of you, and yeah. So for the month of March, I started with 5,773 euros. I got capital gains of negative 370 euros. Realized capital gains, it means that I sold something, of 22 cents. Earnings were about 14 and 29 cents, euros, and fees that I paid was about 16 and 98 euros. A total value of 6,607 euros. That's because I invested some money to buy stocks this month, and that was about 1,212 euros. For the performance of March, I had about negative 6.6%. And for 2020, I'm about minus 15 and 40% down. In monthly earnings, I made about 15 euro and 44 cents. Yeah, that's because it's this value of earnings plus my interest that I get from my P2P loans, and that sums up my 15 euros and 44 cents for this month. Let's check out my ETFs and stocks, how they performed. My ETFs, they were about 14% down, more like 13.5%, yeah. And my stocks, they were about 4.6% down. Summing that up, that is about 7.76% that I lost this month, and I got a total of 6,600 euros invested in ETFs and stocks. And if you check out my P2P loans, I'm now invested in Mintos and Bordora on this month of March, but in the month of April, I took some money out of Bondora to invest in stocks. For the month of March in Mintos, I got about €1.66. That's about a percentage of 1.17% in this month alone. As you can see here, I got total invested in P2P loans on the 1st of March about 210 euros, and the final value of the 31st March was about 133 euros. As you can see, I took some money out of Mondora to invest in stocks, like I said before, and those stocks I want to show you now. But before that, I want to show you my holdings. My biggest holding right now is still the Vanguard FTSE All World High Dividend ETF. Coming right after is the Berkshire Hathaway share with about 8.7%. Then the Unilever Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, the Vanguard FTSE All World ETF, the Royal Dutch Share, Microsoft, Johnson & Johnson, Imperial Brands, Cisco Systems, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, 3M, Apple, Intel, McDonald's, Unilever, Starbucks, MasterCard, Texas Instruments, Royal Dutch Shell again, Lockheed Martin, BlackRock, AbbVie, Omega Healthcare Investors, Altria Group, Nike, Broadcom, Visa, Digital Realty, and Boeing. Yeah, I know, I have a lot of stocks right now, but that's just because I was playing around and looking in which stocks I'm most comfortable with. But I think I found some of my stocks that I'm comfortable with. That's like Johnson & Johnson, Microsoft, Apple, and a lot of more, something like Starbucks and MasterCard, which are growing really fast, and I hope to see in the future. Okay. In this chart, you can see the value of my portfolio. In the beginning of the month, it was okay-ish. It was about 6.8k, and then a crash happened because of the coronavirus and the oil war between Russia and Saudi Arabia. So it plunged down to 5.6k or 5.7k, and on the 15th of March, I invested in the market with some cash, and as you can see, I only invested in stocks, and it gained some value until the end of March to 6.7k. That's right. Before I continue, I would like to present what I bought this month. Right. So this month, for 25 euros, I bought Johnson & Johnson, Boeing, Starbucks, Unilever, Digital Realty. And for 50 euros, I bought BlackRock, Omega Healthcare Investors, AbbVie, Lockheed Martin, Broadcom, and Nike. For 55 euros, I bought Microsoft. And for 80 euros, I bought MasterCard and Apple. And for about 259 euros, I bought Shell. And for approximately 500 euros, I bought Berkshire Hathaway. That is totaling me about approximately 1,400 euros that I invested in this month alone. And I'm quite proud of that, because I never invested this much money before, and yeah, I only could do that with things I was selling on eBay, like old clothings, and things I don't need actually. And besides that, I'm also working, but my work is only paying me like only 500 euros, and yeah. Let's check out my worst performing stocks on this month. As you can see here, my worst performing stock is the Omega Healthcare Investors share with about 47% down. After that, the Royal Dutch Shell share with about 22%. And right after that is the Vanguard FTSE All World High Dividend Yield ETF with about 15%. I did not only buy this month, but I also sold some stocks this month. This month I sold McDonald's, one McDonald's share for 172 euros and 60 cents. On Trade Republic, it costed me only €1 for fees. And yeah, why did I sell that stock is because I saw the opportunity to invest in other stocks, which might be a better investment than McDonald's itself. And I took this money to invest in the Royal Dutch Shell share, and I'm happy with that actually. Let's check out the earnings and dividends and interest that I got this month. So for the month of March, I got dividends from 3M, BlackRock, Intel, Johnson & Johnson, Lockheed Martin, McDonald's, Microsoft, Royal Dutch, Unilever, and Visa. Summing that up with my interest from P2P credits from Bondora and Mintos, I got about 15 euros and 44 cents. That's quite okay, because if you compare it to the last quarter, I got about 14 euros and 48 cents. That's because my ETFs were giving out dividends in that month, and yeah, that's taking at least 50% of the dividends I took in. And this month of March, I didn't actually get those ETFs, which is quite weird, but yeah, I hope to get them in the month of April. And yeah, I'm looking forward to that. That was about my portfolio, and yeah, comment, like, and share. Thank you. Bye.